wabarakatuh.
Yandra Binaka.
Ida babakai kakak cuy nama temen rau. Alright. Iya. Kita
I see the grog. I see your face. I see the grog.
Dua ngangkutan kasih mina Korea. Why me Fijian? Ya baru ni mina kecari nauch paling sore mata kani kuan anak makinan dona ngona leka ngon tarusan tiga bunani semua di telinga. Enak dia sungguh luar poin di Rona FM. Elo Yandra Binaka.
Yandra Binaka Mika.
VTFM K0 Bites, quality product from Punja's Biscuits.
Binaka, wishing you a pleasant morning to all listeners tuning this morning from wherever you are. In the Koro, enjoying your holidays.
Yes.
Especially the teachers out there.
Right.
Dua yang kasih
Very long holiday.
Dua yang kasih memory tambah cukup mata kikenda.
Iya tidak salah.
Kami nak buli bikin rongon rongon porongo. Nak kami bir porongo.
Right.
Porongo balik betapa tekenan mata kelingon bango. Dia borong asal kalau rokin anu laki tombok nabi kaso. Nabi
Bulangan di borong,
balik di buli.
Right.
Tupu tapi susu.
Ambulu tadi bikin ni so sampai di mata kan ni kuan Andre tunonon Rayandra. Dan nomu cikor tonongan di mertungu nuci.
Isali. Nraki ni Andre tutubi ya.
Don Binaka. A very good morning to all the parents and students. All the mothers club.
Hardworking mothers.
Right. Tuning in this morning. Ambulu Binaka to all those tuning in the village. Oh, very flooded in the west,
Very flooded.
Sama Ambulu in the Western Division. Some of you have lost your cow, some have lost your horse. Already chicken sanga chicken mertu ndertamen donor to washi. Sa kuch na wulu. Mbulu Binaka to all those who are experiencing the rainy weather.
The flooding
in your place. Big Mbulu Binaka to all those in Bono Lebu. No news about Bono Lebu at the moment, but I do hope that the flood go there.
Talking about the horse,
don't be like that.
It's very important for the listeners out there to adhere to what you call it. Na tukutukin raki.
Follow the instruction.
Follow the instruction.
Move to higher grounds. Move them to higher grounds. They don't want to drown.
Higher ground ngawi.
Ya, na nguneng kora bikin kana cukup binaka.
Right.
Metau cukup nakete ka kora pakai body. We don't want any body.
Yeah.
Because we want good life.
Right.
Healthy life.
Because 2025.
Healthy living, yo.
2025 is just around the corner.
Yes.
Make use of this time. You look after yourself. Don't eat junk food.
Right.
Eat lobo.
Eat junk murgi.
Murgi na. Mambulu juga di Mbulu Binaka to JN Tamai Vika and also Naome Ma. Mbulu Binaka to Kami Rengeu. Thank you so much to John Kumar. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to Onisimo Malo. Mbulu Binaka, Bono ni Binaka tuyani and matake di Bangka Bisini kwa.
Tunti turun dari top, Ini tak songko bango. Elo no was talking about gang from the village.
Yes, they came yesterday for the Bulumbulu.
Bulumbulu yo.
Yes.
Bulu what the cemetery?
No. You know the apologies.
Why do
they ask for the apologies?
We do
no,
the
that's a tradition.
Why do
we do the bulu because the
couple,
the two ones, they did something that was not supposed to be done.
Why do they do that?
They were in love. Sandren rengon nampak na dondomo is love is blind.
Yes.
Kakek baya sa nadaka so nakasa tu me pamuri sa sinraw sa Romeo do kina me sa main doro bubal. Kora kaya na may bulutin na nadaya. Sa kaya lo me kina na biokan. So like from Nakoro.
Yes, from Malambi bayar tu kan we kem to katsar na sa mati ko may Malambi na mata ni kuah.
Right.
They came yesterday. Limbu.
Oh yeah.
Drikeria one bus.
Drikeria?
Yes.
Drikeria
one bus. And the weather.
Talan tagay balangi.
Ayaw sarang ay orto
so
Malambi.
So ini buka bote kay law moala law. Mate.
Drikeria one bus.
Turangaliw.
One bus one riba.
O cara tambe chiko ira sa gibir tagay melam ton lubi ngich.
Kung nga ito boka, whoever catches the pig, take it home.
Tangich.
Roast.
So tangich from where?
Tangich from
From the Lagu Lopat.
Low group.
Yes, from the gang from Lao, Moala.
Moala.
Oi. Like during the song when they threw the...
Yes, they throw the piglet.
Iya.
Oi.
Whoever catches the piglet.
Right.
Sama-sama tu sih duka.
Sama-sama.
Oi.
Duka mirta gitu, Pak.
Udah nama dia kau may panambay.
Mika, during this festive season,
Right.
what can we see in the Votun Loa? Nabi matagalin nani, siro na pa madaltang mantangan na.
Oh, different dancing style.
Right, go.
Some style they like to climb on the duru.
Oi!
Yeah.
Right.
You know, the gamut the duru.
Yeah.
That's the Fijian style, eh?
Yeah.
But make sure the duru is cocoa, hard enough.
Yeah.
And very strong.
Very steady.
Very steady. If not,
Yeah.
the duru and the kava all will
Yeah.
Some like to
into pieces.
Some like to punch the kawa.
Yeah, like the people in Winbook.
Kaya ko talaga style tanis ya.
Yeah.
Tanis tu nga lupot na kawa.
Yeah, but that's a new style.
Oi. Well, tu tawali kurumbuta kan na ibu no tanis na kasi. Kono two step.
Iyo
Kono
kasi
style jir no rakay malang irdo ta kama saranga.
orang kasi bici.
Irna kasi iyo.
Iya
Santo
gitu.
tar la mena corre.
Iya.
Santo mo tutabi ka tar la normal one.
Normal yo.
Side by side and the hands on the hips ya tama
Iya.
Patake nandu two step. What about two step?
Yeah, now two step is very nice. If you want to capture someone's attention, you ask her to do the two step.
Yeah.
From the two step, you can begin something from there.
Okay.
Talk from experience.
No! You touching the hip and then with some Vesumana words there. Some of the couple listening at the moment, they started their family from the two step.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, lasar nga.
Because it's very nice.
No.
When you touch the hip of the lady or the man, a lady touching the hip of them, that's the beginning of something.
Yeah.
The feeling, the first feeling.
The beginning of the journey.
Yeah, the beginning of the journey. After that, when you see that you're gonna touch her again, another two step.
Yeah.
From there, that's the second level of the hormone catching each other.
Attacking each other.
Ano ba ka Christina de bunga sing ano na ka de Rodedi ayas Rock Resort.
Right.
My Australia.
Right.
Mate si Chito kaya na matang di kuha to na tala bicho Seven de Messi.
Doyan
Tinay Madi na matang di kolendo ang galubula yan binaka.
Bula binaka ya ba?
Ano binaka be Tariasi mataki Ili Rokula.
Right.
Ano mataka go George Ron William Pickering ano binaka sa.
Hey, bula binaka. Right.
Boxing day sa may baganda kuya na Siranoa.
Iyo.
Mataki na bagatawasi.
Doon binaka.
Toka matandaan na ngono. How about the Tuimboto?
Yeah, the Tuimboto too. The Tuimboto.
Yeah.
Once the lady in front, you at the back.
Yeah.
That's another place you can catch it.
Catch the virus.
Yeah. But you remember, you have to make 10 to 10. Give 10 for you to turn.
Right.
To give your back to Bumbu.
Give them the chance.
Give them a chance.
Yeah.
When they touch your back, the feeling will be
please shake it.
Shake it.
Yeah.
And you will shake it.
Right.
When you will shake it, the feeling will top up.
Yeah.
Will top up.
Top up in the phone.
Right. Don't you go, Mika?
Yeah, that's
Once you start the Tuimboto, you'll go this way.
this way.
And the one leading the Tuimboto will say, okay, Visau.
Turn.
That time saranga you change. You shake your hips.
Yeah, you shake your hips.
Yeah.
And when Bumbu touch your hip, the feeling will go there.
Connect the Wi-Fi.
Pakadua. That's the beginning of couples.
Something new.
Yes. So they met at the dance floor. They met at
During the songo.
During the songo.
Okay, the last one. Last one.
My.
Nadaba merangaro na irna dorbo. Kaya kartuika nangani elewa.
Iya ko nga ya. Kaya makachika kaya nangani elewa.
Be careful.
You just suli na kabur to them. You just suli na kaburo. If you know that your fishing bait is catchy to the girl, don't only give the kaburo. You buy one packet. Na malam sar Zero Bites quality product of Punjus Biscuits na Ouch Palangi show. The last Ouch Palangi show of the week.
Di Nasara.
Woo! Daw yan ramon na may gold bone. remember when you give the packet, not 10, 20. Na malemu.
Totoka.
Right.
Lawe ni totoka na binaka.
Waru ni binaka.
Kundi apa sambola ni bulu binaka.
Iya.
Warta cuma yo LJ saya linji bindiri.
Iya.
Don't touch the behind.
Don't touch the behind. If you don't
Touch the behind, Melande.
okay, don't touch the behind. Just touch it slowly.
Do malek do warna bikin 60 na soko bono ya.
Iya.
Gertu oi remera spoil tu kami biar tabalanta.
Hindi na sar.
Kata kira buning one.
Right.
Iya.
Ini rasa bicu bango.
Iya.
Namatan rawate de tak
Oh,
bade.
ngata-ngata to ngata.
Kako sari to bole mendona kadal mo kawa. Baleta ya lile na camera kortungo.
Lelai.
Iya. Lele na telefoni, lele na kakede. Ni rasa pa madala er ng bumbu ni mataka.
Iya.
Isa nga nindona kata levo. Esa, cho sepa deme se no gua vai sapo se pa kada kita to ko balile no miava. Nangono go mambulto di bekedi tako.
Iya.
Dilia mere hisab na balem sar na sar cuma na matagal.
Kaya pagka tungal la singenda isa parulo sar tungango.
Ibay.
Maingo kerbauta. Maloma.
Location please, location.
Location.
Iya, location. Wali silis to ka na matanra.
Bakal dua.
Wala ni binakatiani dorum like dorum share ngay na magkito tale en matake ni monity babu ni binakatale be zero by quality product of Punjas biscuits.
May California sa cuma kino bindiri.
Odi?
May California cuma kino ko.
Odi mi avikia.
Ito sa lolo mo tiyari na memiliang